Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. Hmm. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter properties. The lessons we're going to cover today are properties, here I'm on grade 2 math right now as properties. Let's just start with the first one lesson, that is related addition facts. Right? Let's just start with the lesson related addition facts. Write the addition fact for 11 plus 4 equals 15. So basically, the related addition facts are exactly the same numbers, just the order of the numbers are different. Just their places are different. Like here you have 11, we are given 11 plus 4 equals 15. So the related addition fact, you just swap these two numbers. That would be like this: 4 plus 11 equals 15. So the correct option is 4 plus 11 equals 15. Let's just start with the test question. So basically, in the related addition facts, just the places of two numbers that are that have the operator are swapped. Alright, the relation fact for 6 plus 9 equals 15. So this side where you have two numbers and the operator, you just have to swap the position of these two numbers. So that would be 9 plus 6 equals 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, option number 1 is the correct option. Write the little fact for 3 plus 8 equals 11. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. These two numbers must be swapped. That is 8 plus 3 equals 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the relative addition fact for 4 plus 6 equals 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6 plus 4 equals 10. Write the relative addition fact for 16 plus 4 equals 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4 plus 16 is equals 20. Write the relative addition fact for 3 plus 10 equals 13. That is 10 plus 3 equals 13. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the relative addition fact for 1 plus 13 equals 14. That is 13 plus 1 equals 14. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write the related addition fact for 12 plus 6 equals 18. That is 6 plus 12 equals 18. Option number 2 is the correct option. You can complete the lesson by yourself. Today, let me just move to next lesson. The next lesson is related subtraction facts. Subtraction facts are different from the related addition facts because when you swap the position of these two numbers, this way you cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you have to swap the position of these two numbers. In the subtraction sentence, it would be like this. 20 take away 3 equals 17. So that is 20 take away 3 equals 17. Let's just start with the test questions. Write the related subtraction fact for 17 take away 10 equals 7. So when we are subtracting, we can't swap the position of these two numbers because we cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, right? So you have to swap the position of these two numbers. So that is 17 take away 7 equals 10. Option number one is the correct option. That is 17 take away 7 equals 10. Write the related subtraction fact for 20 take away 2 equals 18. That is 20 take away 18 equals 2. Option number 2 is the correct. Correct. The related subtraction fact for 14 take away 3 equals 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 14 take away 11 equals 3. Option 1 is the correct option. Write the related subtraction fact for 13 take away 10 equals 3. That is 13 take away 3 equals 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the related subtraction fact for 9 take away 3 equals 6. That is 9 take away 6 equals 3 option number 2 is the correct option. Write the related subtraction fact for 20 take away 11 equals 9. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 20 take away 9 equals 11. Write the related subtraction fact for 14 take away 11 equals 3. Option number 2, good option. 14 take away 3 equals 11. Write the related subtraction fact for 7 take away 1 equals 6. So which is the correct option? That is 7 take away 6 equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is fact family. Let's start with the lesson. What fact is missing from the fact family? Okay, so basically the fact family has one addition sentence and two the fact family has two addition sentences and two subtraction sentences, right? So for the given one, we are given two subtraction sentences, but only one addition. That means the missing one is the addition subtraction sentence. So we just learned the addition fact and subtraction fact. So they are exactly the same thing. So the second addition fact is 1 plus 18 equals 19. That is the fact that is missing. Let's just start with the test questions. So what fact is missing in this fact family? Okay, so we are given two of the addition facts and one subtraction fact. That means the second subtraction fact is missing. So the second subtraction fact is you need to swap these two numbers, that is 18 take away 12 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 18 take away 12 is 6. What fact is missing from the fact family? So we are given two subtraction sentences. That means the missing one is an addition sentence. So which addition sentence is it? That is 1 plus 18 equals 19. Option number 2 is the correct option. What fact is missing from the fact family? So you are given two of the subtraction facts. That means we are missing the addition fact. That would be 10 plus 9 equals 19. Option number 1 is the correct option. What fact is missing from the fact family? So which is the correct option? I think you guys are here to learn, but you guys are just waiting for someone to be friends. You are simply wasting your time. So we are given two of the subtraction sentences and one addition sentence. That means you are missing the other addition sentence. So which is the addition sentence you miss? You're missing. That is 9 plus 3 equals 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. What fact is missing from the fact family? Option number one is the correct option. That is 16 take away 7 equals 9. Option number one is the correct option. 16 take away 7 equals 9. What fact is missing from the fact family? We are given two subtraction facts here. So we are missing an addition fact. That would be option number one, 17 plus 2 equals 19. Option number one is B4, that is 7 plus 12 equals 19. Option number two is the correct option. That is 7 plus 12 equals 19. What fact family is missing from the fact family? 4 plus 7 equals 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4. 11 minus 4 equals 7. We are missing an addition fact, right? So that is 7 plus 4 equals 11. Option number one is the correct option. What fact is missing from the fact family? So which is the correct option? That is 15 minus 13 equals 2. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division terms. Let's just start with the lesson. In this problem, what is 17? 18, 88 take away 17 equals 71. So 17 is the 88 take away 17 equals 71. So 17 is the subtrahend here. Let's start with the test questions. In this problem, what is 2? 31 minus 29 equals 2. Two is the difference of 31 and 29. Option 2 is the correct option. Difference it is. In this problem, what is 5? 5 plus 35 equals 40. 5 is the addend. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 is the addend. Option 1 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 5? 5 minus 2 equals 3. The greater number is the minimum, the smaller number is subtrahend. So 5 is the minuend. Option number 1 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 5? 39 take away 5 is 34. So 5 is the smaller number, right? That is the subtrahend. Option number 1 is the correct option. Subtrahend it is. In this problem, what is 8? 8 minus 5 equals 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 is the minuend. Option 2 is the correct option. 8 is the minuend. In this problem, what is 38? 78 minus 40 equals 38. 38 is the difference. Option number 2 is the correct option. 38 is the difference of 78 and 40. In this problem, what is 86? 58 plus 28 equals 86. 86 is the sum of 58 plus 28, so sum it is. In this problem, what is 28? 28 is the difference. Option number 2 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 19? 19 is the addend. Option number 1 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 23? 23 is the minute. Option number 1 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 47? 47 is the adder. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself with it today. So we were working on the math. The chapter we are working on is properties. The lessons we have covered today are related addition facts, related subtraction facts, fact families, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division terms. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons you just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any lesson, any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you